Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel where we are going to see how to make $10,000 per month with email marketing using solo ads. Now in the previous training video, we saw how to use Getresponse in order to send email automation sequence and how to integrate Getresponse with Leadpages software. Now in this part 13 of this training series, we are going to see how to use Getresponse to send email broadcast and also how to do the A/B split test. If you really like my content, I would request you to hit the subscribe button below and also hit the bell notification in order to get the very first notice whenever I upload my videos. Now let's get straight into the Getresponse account. Now this is the Getresponse dashboard, and once again, if you've not got that Getresponse account, then I would request you to check the link in the description box below in order to get your 30 days free trial of Getresponse account with all features. Now, in order to send the email broadcast, we have to go to the tools, email marketing, or you can click the email marketing over here. So once on this page, you can go and click the create newsletter and buy myself. Now, when you look at the interface, it looks similar to what we have seen in our email automation sequence. So it is pretty much same. You can just enter the title. So I'm just going to enter it as test 1. And when you see the linked list over here, it shows the list which are available in Getresponse account. So there is a difference between the linked list in email automation and the linked list in email broadcast. Now in email broadcast, it doesn't matter whether to which linked list it is actually attached. But in email automation, the linked list must be the list to which you want to send the message to your subscriber. But in email broadcast, here the linked list literally means the list for which the statistics will be shown. So when you click over here, it shows this is the list you will use to check your message statistics. Now this is the from and to email addresses. And you should not use the Gmail addresses, and you should use your own customized email addresses. And when you scroll down, you have the subject line, which is similar to the email automation sequence we have seen. So for the subject lines, please follow my training where I'm going to discuss how to get different subject lines and how to get different email swipes. So you can always use the emojis over here. Click on this and you can use the emojis over here. And if you want to personalize it, you can click on this and you can use the first name, last name, or the city or the country, or whatever it may be, in order to get a personalized message across your subscribers. Then here the recipients will be different to the recipients in email automation. Here when you click on the add recipients, you get the different list to which you want to send the email broadcast. So here I'm just going to check in AWeber paid ads and just click on add. And when you click on the design message, here go to the blank templates and you can just click on the use template. And it is similar as we saw in the email automation. Just remove the logo, click on the logo, remove the logo. And here you just click on the layout and drag and drop the text over here, and here you can type out the message, email body content, and then you can click on the next button. So once entered, and here there is a difference in the when would you like to send your message. It is different from the email automation where you can schedule in the email broadcast. So you can either send immediately or you can click on the schedule for later. So the default time zone appears over here based on the user's IP. Here we can also select the date and time. So when we want to send the particular broadcast, and then you can click on schedule. So once scheduled, the email will be scheduled to be sent. Now next we will see how to do the split test, A/B test. Now click on the A/B test, create A/B test. Now one important thing that is to be noticed here is, as I mentioned earlier in the AWeber split test, where we have to split test either the subject line or the body content. We can't split both at the same time because we won't be getting the correct data. So always test one parameter at a time. So we are going to split test subject line. For in this case, click on subject line, create test, and this is going to be the title, and this title is going to be just for the reference of ourselves, and it's not going to be visible to our subscribers. So I'm just giving it as test, and then you can see the email addresses from email address, which is going to be your customized email address. Here you can see the subject line, so which is going to be used, A or B. So we will enter both the subject lines over here and we will test between these two. So after entering those subject lines, scroll down a bit and then click on the add recipients, and we can add the recipients over here to which list the email will be sent. And the design and content, click on the design message and repeat the same process as we discussed earlier. Here the A by B test settings are there. Click on configure A by B test. And here you can scroll this button to know how to send the email percentage, whether it is going to be 50-50 or 40-60 or whatever it might be. So here you can see the variant A and variant B. And the next is should we send the winning message automatically? Yes, that should be yes. And we should also check how we choose the winning message. So normally we should choose the winning message app by open rate, and this is going to be after 2 days, and it's going to be like 48 hours. That's when you get the correct data. So once selected all these, then you can click on save. Then when you scroll down, you can send immediately or schedule for later. And once done that, you can click on start A/B test. So that's how it is. Now that completes the entire tutorial of Getresponse, where we have seen it all. It's so simple. We have seen both the email automation and the email broadcast, and then how to authenticate your domain and how to integrate our Getresponse with the lead pages software. And if you really want to know more advanced strategies of how to use the email automation feature in Getresponse, and also how to use advanced segmentation in Getresponse, and if you're really interested to build an online business, serious online business, then I would request you to check out my top recommended mentorship program in the description box below, in order to get the advanced email marketing strategies and also the social media marketing strategies. So if you really like my content, I would request you to hit the like button, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next part of the training series, we are going to see the most important tool of this entire email marketing business, and that's called Optin Dojo, and we will dwell into it in detail. With that being said, let's meet in the next part of the training series. Until then, bye.